Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool umbrella here, and basically what this is a Christmas tree decoration. So this is what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys do open up, that is basically what the inside looks like. Let's take it out. So when you guys do take it out, you definitely want to take your time and be careful because it is very fragile. So when you guys do take it out, you can see how it's already wrapped up. But if you guys do take out the wrapper, once you guys do take it out, this is basically what the product looks like. If you guys can see the detail that's on here, definitely looks pretty cool. There's a bunch of Christmas balls on here, but it has like that golden design on here or that golden color, which is really cool. Some of them are shiny, some of them are like a matte design, and then some of them has a glitter on here. So if I do turn it 360, everything looks the same. And then right here is basically what the bottom part looks like. So whether if you guys want to put this near your desk, your fireplace, or anywhere else, how you guys want to set it up and where you guys want to put it, that is totally up to you guys. But in terms of material that's on here for each one of the balls, they are like plastic material. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to quick unboxing of the product, now to answer the question of whether or not that's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market looking for some decorations to use throughout your house, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have you want these, obviously don't buy one and save your money something else that you actually do need.
So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.